You're looking at the future of urban commuting, bold, fearless, and unlike anything you've ever seen. This is the 2026 Yamaha TMAX Tricity, and it's not just a scooter. It's a revolution on 3 wheels. At first glance, the design hits you hard. Sleek lines, aggressive stance, and that unmistakable front end, it screams innovation. This isn't your average commuter scooter. Yamaha has taken their legendary TMAX DNA and fused it with the balance and stability of the Tricity series. The result? A machine that's part sport bike, part urban warrior, and all attitude. But let's talk about those 3 wheels. Why 3? Because Yamaha isn't here to play safe, they're here to change the game. The dual front wheel layout gives you extraordinary grip, especially when cornering. Rain? Rough roads? Tight turns? No problem. It sticks to the asphalt like it's on rails, giving you a sense of control that feels almost natural. In the best way possible. Under the sleek bodywork sits a powerful 560 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine. It delivers that punchy torque you need to weave through traffic or cruise effortlessly on the highway. This isn't just smooth, it's thrilling. Twist the throttle, and you'll feel the TMAX Tricity come alive, surging forward with confidence, while still offering the smooth ride Yamaha is known for. It's the kind of power that makes every ride feel like an escape. And comfort? Yamaha nailed it. With a low center of gravity, a plush seat, and perfectly placed handlebars, the riding position feels just right. Whether you're zipping across town or riding for hours, this scooter makes it feel easy. The windscreen and fairing slice through air, keeping the ride quiet and calm even at speed. And don't even get us started on the suspension, it's buttery smooth, absorbing bumps and potholes like they're nothing. The tech? It's loaded. Full TFT display with smartphone connectivity. Navigation, calls, music. It's all at your fingertips. And Yamaha's advanced rider assist systems keep you protected with traction control, ABS, and even tilt-sensitive cornering tech. It's like the scooter's watching out for you, silently making every decision smoother and safer. But here's the real magic: when you're riding the TMAX Tricity, people notice. Heads turn. Phones come out. It's futuristic, but not in a someday kind of way. It's futuristic in a this is happening now way. And the feeling you get riding it? Pure freedom. Like you've outsmarted traffic. Like the city is yours. This isn't just a scooter. It's a statement. A declaration that you're ready for the future, and not just ready, but leading it. The 2026 Yamaha TMAX Tricity isn't about blending in. It's about standing out. 3 wheels, 1 powerful machine, and endless possibilities. So if you're still thinking scooters are boring, think again. This one rewrites the rules. The only question is, are you ready to ride the future?